Welcome to yet another very boring but very important video for anybody with a heat pump technology dryer. Today we're going to talk about cleaning the filters, and yes, I know it doesn't sound very exciting, but it is extremely important. The one filter that you're going to want to clean every single time you use it, or before every cycle or after every cycle, is the one inside the door. This guy pops out, you open it up, they're all a bit different, but they all do the same thing, collecting lint and any muck that might have been on the item of clothing. Bits of Lego I found in here, not mine. So that's very important. Do that every time you do a dry. And then there is an even more important one. If you want the heat pump dryer to dry your clothes well and efficiently, and that is the lower filter, which we'll look at now. Each brand will have it a little bit different. The Samsung one that I have, it's in here. You open up the outer flap, unlock the inner cover, remove him, and look inside. This one isn't too bad. It's actually pretty clean, but there's still a bit of mess in there. So this is something you're going to want to do every few weeks. The more you do it, the more efficient the machine will be. Most people buy a heat pump technology dryer to dry efficiently with minimal electric bill damage. If you let this get clogged up with lint, with fluff, it will take a lot longer to dry. You will therefore use a lot more power in doing so. And you already know that these are slow machines. They do not dry extremely quickly. That's again how they do it in a high efficiency way. So you'll get a quicker dry using less power, win-win, by some quick cleaning every couple of weeks. You'll probably get a brush, something similar to this from the manufacturer. Important thing is, when you clean these foils, make sure you go up and down, never side to side. You do that and you can bend the coils and they can end up closing up on themselves, and that will reduce the airflow through them. So you need to try and make sure you only go up and down, and move along and get it out of the corners carefully, but never push it in and start wiping side to side. Sometimes you might be tempting just to get in there, a bit frustrated, it's not coming off. Take your time, do it properly, keep the coils open so the airflow can pass through them very simply. Again, it's going to make it a quicker dry and a more efficient dry. Do it as often as you can be bothered. I try and do it every week and a half. We probably run the dryer every second or third day at this moment. So try and do it maybe after every 6 or 7 cycles. I'm not sure. But I read somewhere that if you wait too long, it can immediately add 40% drying time and energy used to dry the same amount of items, just because it's clogged up. So give it a clean, take care of your machine, save some money, and be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.